Hi boys and girls, it is the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. And I have a very quick one for you. It is a board quickie and it is called Owl and Parrot on an Adventure. And you know how much I love my adventures. We just had 1,700 books and now we're off to our next board adventure. And it just happens to be with Owl and Parrot, learning friends. And I got all these animals around me. Parrot and Owl are ready to go. Parrot would choose a place that they know. The playground, picnic, park. Owl would rather they fly somewhere new. Owl and Parrot must choose what to do. The fire station, a restaurant, or a construction site? What will it be? Can you help Owl and Parrot choose where they want to go? The playground has a tower to climb high. Parrot loves swings. What would you like to try? The fire station has an engine and crew. Owl likes the fire pole. How about you? At a picnic, we can have a big treat. Parrot likes crackers. What do you like to eat? At the restaurant, there are many places to look. The chef is ready. What would you like her to cook? There are bowls, chairs, tables, plates, cups, and hats. What will she cook? Well, I'm going home to make some jerk pork for dinner. At the park, it's time to play and have fun. Parrot loves kites. Which is the prettiest one? At the construction site, they will build something new. Owl likes the truck and the crane. How about you? Back at school, there are many things to do. Parrot likes to sing, and Owl does too. And that is the end of Owl and Parrot on an adventure. They started out with many different ideas, and then they ended sharing in one. Isn't that beautiful? So we can have many, many ideas, boys and girls, but there are some that we can actually enjoy together. It is Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. I don't own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And the magic of today's story is I am always off to my next board adventure, and I hope that you are following along. This is a nice, quick, sweet book about birds and owls and friendships and places and things to do. It is perfect for someone just like you. I'll see you again soon. Bored with Miss Reynolds, off to spend some time with all my friends. Bye, Owl. Bye, Parrot. See you soon.